Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off adaptive brightness or automatic brightness in your Vivo smartphone if it is automatically decreasing or increasing your light according to a room lighting, or your if you are just outside it will decrease or increase according to the sunlight. How you can just off or disable this feature and enable automatic. You can just customize it by your own. How you can enable this? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings option, and you can see there is a display brightness. Here it is the adaptive brightness. Here you have to just disable this option, and now you can increase or decrease light according to yourself. I hope you like this video. This video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.